No kneading, no rolling, and no fancy equipment. This soft, crispy wheat pizza is made with simple liquid dough. Right in the pan. Let me show you how. So, for one pizza, take some warm milk. Add 2 small spoons of yeast and 1 small spoon of sugar. The sugar is food for the yeast, for it to grow. We leave this mixture for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's how it looks. The yeast is activated and ready to use. Now, in a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. Add oil and salt to taste. You can add pepper powder and garlic powder as well. Now, mix our yeast mixture really well and pour it in the wheat flour. Just mix both with spoon. You want a thick paste, not a runny paste. Thick paste will make crispy base. Runny paste will make super soft pizza base. Now, in a greased pan, just spread the mix with spoon. Now let this rest for a minimum of 2 hours, 2 to 8 hours. Let's move on to making pizza sauce. In a hot pan, add oil and half chopped onion. When the onion turns pink, add 1 big chopped tomato. You can use tomato puree, but I want to add more fiber to my kids' diet, so chopped it is. When the tomato is cooked, add 1 clove of garlic crushed. Add salt and turmeric. Switch off the gas. Now add chopped capsicum and coriander leaves. Add 1 spoon of ketchup and some dried oregano. You can add chili flakes at this point as well. Back to the pizza dough. After 6 hours, this is how it looks. So bubbly. Now spread our pizza sauce evenly. You can use ready-made sauce and top it with whatever vegetables you want. Now cover it with a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Cook on a low flame covered for 10 to 15 minutes. For oven, bake it at 180 for 20 minutes. Get it on a plate, cut and serve. I made a mushroom pizza as well from the same liquid dough. Look at that crispy base, you guys. For more nutritious and balanced meals, do check out my YouTube channel. Bye!